ahead of the assembly elections. Now this will be taking place this year in 2025. There has been a fresh war of words that has now exploded between the BJP and the RSS right after the former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal shot off a letter addressed to the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, highlighting what he has been calling at BJP's wrongdoings that according to him undermine democracy, and questioned the RSS chief whether the RSS supports the BJP's actions. He also asked whether the RSS condones the vote-buying claim that the BJP has been distributing money to the voters in Delhi. The BJP, which held a short briefing a short while back, said that they have attacked Kejriwal over the same issue, questioning that the former Delhi Chief Minister poses certain questions to the RSS chief.
मीडिया में बने रहने की छटपटाहट और बौखलाहट में वो ये भी नहीं ध्यान रखते जो सरकारी आदेश के द्वारा मुफ्त में दारू बिकवाते हैं, मतलब एक पौवे के बदले दूसरा पौवा फ्री देने वाले आज कह रहे हैं कि ये बांटा जा रहा वो बांटा जा रहा। मुझे लगता है ये केवल मीडिया का ध्यान आकर्षित करने के अलावा और कुछ नहीं। और मैं उनसे कहना चाहता हूं, संघ को लिखिए नहीं, संघ से सीखिए। झुग्गी झोपड़ी और दलित बस्तियों में काम करने वाला भारत का सबसे बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है सेवा भारती, जो आरएसएस से जुड़ा हुआ है। तो सेवा का भाव सीखिए, सियासत की चाल छोड़िए।
Well, he should write same letter to Anna Hazare also. Does Anna Hazare support what he has been doing, and the way he has opened liquor shops outside Gurdwaras and Mandirs, the way he has made money out of the excise policy and liquor policy in Delhi, the way his member MLAs has torn the Quran Sharif or discredited the Quran Sharif, he should write similar letter to Anna Hazare also.